I use a Makita Bluetooth speaker in our wash bay and it works. It doesn't give us great sound. And sometimes when you're in there, you're doing things that you're probably wishing you were somewhere else. So I thought I would upgrade a little bit here. This is a Herdio outdoor Bluetooth speaker set. Two-way speakers, it says 400 watts max. Might have misread that because I was thinking this was a 400 watt system, and then when I think of Bluetooth speakers, I don't think of normally having speaker wire in between the two and only one power adapter. So I guess and this might be better, but in this case what it seems like is we're going to power up one speaker and then connect over to the other speaker, so there must be an amplifier in one of these guys and not in the other. And this one here looks like it is just the basic speaker. What I liked about this, I guess, was just the simple fact that I had some sort of waterproof or outdoor speaker that was gonna last. I thought about putting like a JBL speaker or something like that in there, and that's just always gonna have to be charged, and I can't keep it up out of the water. I thought these grills were gonna easily come off. Evidently they're not. There is supposedly a 6.5 inch speaker in there, and then another one. There definitely is right here, the little bass port. These are supposed to have good bass from what they say on the box again. Here's our 24 volt in. That's going to be speaker wire across. There's a reset button, but there is not much to this, so it's interesting. When you think of Bluetooth, you'd have like a pairing button or something here. It's going to be an interesting install. All right, well, I have these temporarily wired together here. I figure better to find out now how bad they are or good. That just seems to make sense. So plug them in.
Bluetooth mode.
Bluetooth mode. That's pretty cool. So the instructions on here say that I need to go to Bluetooth and then search for something called HE-HOS-602, HE-HOS-602. There we go. Look at that. It's there. That's kind of surprising. Maybe it shouldn't be. So then I pair. So these things are always going to be on, which is interesting. So I guess you're going to unplug and plug them in as needed, so they're not constantly just sitting there on. And then the volume is going to be controlled by your phone. So well, I'm sure this sounds like crap through my microphone, being that I'm behind them. And there is zero bass to this song. There we go. So that's like max before distortion. Now I still have more to go. So bass is not a big thing here at all, which is disappointing because that's kind of, I like 5-finger death punch. I like to kind of rock it out while I'm in there a little bit. I don't need, like wall just vibrating bass. I'd like just to have some good sound. Still, I guess I probably should just put them up and see how they sound. Well, I just played that for a little bit. Thought it's got to give me some info, and it did. I'm packing them up, sending them back. Lots of us complain about job site radios, but I'll tell you what, in this experience here, which I thought was going to just fill that room and give me some incredible sound, especially with some of the higher ceilings and moving around this place, it would be great. And this just sucked. You got anywhere above 3/4 volume on your phone, and the speakers started to just phase out. The bass was just distorted. Nothing was good. Things started to go silent for seconds. That is not what $350 indoor outdoor speakers should be to me. This would be great for You know, these would actually be wonderful if you sat them at a hotel and just played really light music on them with no bass. They sounded good for that. Anything more than that, no. Sad. So I'm gonna take that money and I'll invest in another Milwaukee or DeWalt radio, something, and just enjoy it. And that way, at least I can play my music if I want it loud. Or look at something else. I guess, you know, JBL has stuff, but again, it's in a wash bay. I want something that's going to be durable. And I thought with this, I could get it up off the floor away so they wouldn't get direct spray, and I'd still be able to use everything without having to, you know, climb on a ladder, push a button and all that stuff. So, well, good to know, right? Comments, if you guys got any ideas, if you guys have something that's good, put it below. I would appreciate the help. Thanks for your time, guys. Give us a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Have a great day.